Now, if you've spent much time on the Aquaholic channel, you know that I tend to favour power boats, but I love boats of all types, and when I saw this Oceanis 62, I thought that was an incredible machine. It's got to be worth taking a look at, and indeed it is. So I thought, let's grab the camera and do a quick yacht tour. So, built by Beneteau, as Oceanis are, and we'll start out here with the Cockpit, because it's a rather amazing machine, and it starts with these fantastic carbon Nautica wheels. There's one each side, so you've got one here and one over there, so whichever tack you're on, you can be on the correct side. And they've got mirrored displays as well. And forward of that, there's this terrific cockpit area just here, really sociable space, masses of room for everybody. And up above, there's a Bimini. So out here in the Med, you've got plenty of shade, and what's quite clever is they've put these windows in all the way around here, so you can have this like a little wheelhouse area, or take the windows out, leave the top up, and you've got a Bimini. But as it is at the moment, it's also protecting entrance to the cabin, and this cabin is worth seeing. Step this way. Look at that. That is some sailing boat. So masses of space. You've got a separate walkway down this side, so you're not having to squeeze past anybody. There's this fantastic chart area tucked away just here. So that's where you can do all your planning and navigation from. And then if we look at the back, you've got guest cabins. So there's one here with a double bed, like so. It's a pretty good size, and that has its own ensuite, like that, just there. Pretty good. If we head back out here, we'll find that it is mirrored over here by another one. In fact, I would suggest this one is slightly larger. So yeah, really nice size, like so. And again, ensuite, like that. In fact, what you have here is the day heads with ensuite access from this cabin. Or during the day, there is a doorway to it just here, accessed from the saloon area, so people can come and use that without disturbing any of the cabins. This area here I love, and there's loads of light pouring in from these hatches and windows. And then your galley is over here. There's a wine cooler over on that side. This is a top loading fridge, so you can get stuff out when you're sailing and heel it over without everything falling out. I think this is probably a freezer just here. And then you've got a big cooker just there for catering for your crew. Let's head on through. And then up here, there's this passageway. It takes us down through here, through this door, and this is your master cabin. Look at that on a yacht. That's incredible. Decent sized windows again in here, overhead hatches, so masses of light, masses of ventilation, and masses of headroom. Look at that. That is a big cabin. And then behind me here, of course, as you'd expect, it's got its own ensuite tucked away just there, separate shower stall. This is some sailing boat. Let's head back through. Let's take in this saloon area again, because this I think is the bit that really makes the boat for me. I just think that is magnificent. And it's going to take a look on top. That table obviously hinges open as well, so you can have a huge dining area there. Love these steps, the way they're raked right back. We'll go back up through this cockpit. Take a look out down the sides. So you've got lovely side decks down here. And then an absolutely gigantic mast just there. That's got in-mast furling, so your mainsail actually stows inside it, like so, for ease of use. And then up here, the foredeck There's those hatches that we saw from the master cabin at the front. And then that looks very much to me like a power furling Genoa. So again, that all winds in and out under power. But what about that for a machine? First sailing boat I've had on my channel, but what a sailing boat.